In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove grid or turn off grid display in AutoCAD. If the dots or lines filling your workspace are getting in the way, this quick guide will show you the fastest ways to hide them so you can focus on your geometry without distractions. The grid is just a visual reference. It doesn't affect your drawing or accuracy, so turning it off is completely safe and reversible. First, let's use the command line, which is reliable in every version of AutoCAD. Click anywhere in the drawing area to make sure the workspace is active, then type grid mode and press enter. You'll see a prompt asking for a value. Type 0, then press enter again. That's it. The grid disappears. Grid mode is a system variable that controls the grid's visibility, and setting it to 0 tells AutoCAD to hide it. Your drawing remains exactly the same. You're simply changing what's displayed on screen. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, there's an even faster toggle. Press the F7 key to switch the grid off or on instantly. This is especially handy when you want to temporarily hide the grid for a cleaner view and bring it back later. On some laptops or on Mac OS, you may need to hold the FEN key while pressing F7, depending on your keyboard settings. If nothing seems to happen, check whether your function keys are set to media controls and adjust as needed. You can also use the status bar at the bottom of the AutoCAD window. Look for the grid display icon. It usually looks like a small grid. Clicking that icon toggles the grid on and off. When the icon is highlighted, the grid is active. When it's dimmed, the grid is hidden. This method is great if you like visual feedback and quick mouse access without typing. A few quick tips to keep in mind. Turning off the grid doesn't change your snap settings or object snaps, so you'll still be able to draw precisely and lock onto endpoints, midpoints, and other geometry. The grid's visibility is just an on-screen aid, so hiding it won't affect plotting or how your file opens for other users. If you're working in different viewports or layouts, remember the display can vary by space. Just apply the same toggle where you're currently working. To recap, you can hide the grid by typing grid mode and entering 0, by pressing F7 on your keyboard, or by clicking the grid display icon on the status bar. Use whichever method fits your workflow best, and enjoy a cleaner, distraction-free workspace.